The limited edition, track-only LC8c was the closest thing Kingdom long run to the real replacement of the LC8r sport bike. Up to the announcement of the new 2025 KTM 990 RCR, that is. KTM has only so far disclosed basic information and pictures of a prototype, but they have acknowledged that the 990 RCR will go into production in early 2025 as both a track-only and completely street-legal sport bike. Being a KTM, of course, the prototype is ready to race, and this year it will participate in a few European Supersport racing series as a non-scoring wildcard. The 990 RCR shares the LC8c with the 990 Duke and was designed with data from KTM's GP racing program. But the engine on the RCR is rated at 126 horsepower, at its peak 3 horsepower more than the Duke. Peak torque is the same at 76 lb-ft, but it occurs at 10,500 rpm, far higher in the rev range than the Streetfighter's 6,750 rp. Along with the engine are a 6-speed transmission that can be easily reversed to a race shift pattern and a new, ergonomic condensed stainless steel muffler. The engine is attached to a steel frame with a greater weight bias toward the front end that is intended to offer stability during acceleration and agility at low speeds. Aerodynamic wings, which are evaluated in a wind tunnel, give extra stability when braking and cornering. The fuel tank's design offers a more cozy tucked-in riding position, and the footer's adjustable positions accommodate a wider range of body types and riding preferences. Lightweight cast aluminum wheels and WP Apex open cartridge suspension are further confirmed details. The World Superbike Championship's official slicks, Pirelli Diablo Superbike tires, are mounted on the prototype, but Michelin tires will be used on the production vehicle, according to KTM. Early in 2025, all specs will be made public. Although the price will be revealed later, KTM suggests that it won't be exorbitant. The head of KTM's worldwide marketing, Rian Neveling, states, "This bike offers power and prestige without the outrageous price tag. After much waiting, we are finally able to present the KTM 990 RCR to dealerships in early 2025, fulfilling the dreams of a great number of riders and race fans."